Hello, CCP Fambam. I'm here on board flight going to Jensan. We're waiting to take off, but for now, kumusta kayo? Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Guten Morgen, naimbag gaaldaw, and buongiorno. Oh, greetings pa lang, worldwide na. Abay, dapat lang because my life at CCP is a continuing journey full of full circles, bumpy roads. Meron ding mga shining stars and rainbows, of course. I think I have taken practically all kinds of transportation means, and I project braveness, pero sa totoo lang po, natatakot din ako. Especially yung barko na nagngingit-ngit, yung matataas na alon, or sa eroplano na maliit ang pakpak at walang pakisama ang turbulence. So, natatakot din po ako sa totoo lang. And yes, teka, yung aking kodigo, that's how I spent most of my work time in CCP. Traveling in unique and beautiful places, meeting all kinds of people, mostly artists and cultural workers, patrons, sponsors, audiences, etc. etc. And ano nga bang sabi ng kodigo? Sandali lang. Yung ilaw kasi ng camera ay anong tawag dyan? Masyadong shining. Hindi ko makita yung kodigo ko. Pero ang tanong, eto na ang tanong. Bakit ba ginagawa mo kung mahirap pala? At bakit ka tumagal ng ilang dekada? So, eto na ang sagot ko na pang Miss Universe. Handa na ba kayo? Eto na. Thank you for that question, ladies and gentlemen. But I stayed on and persevered because cultural work is not really work per se. But it is a mission, a passion, and a responsibility that every Filipino, I think, should do at least once in our lives. So, pang Miss Universe ba yung sagot? Sana. Pero according to my kodigo, na hindi ko pa rin makita, ano ba yan, Noli, ang ilaw, grabe. So, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Tara na, biyahe na tayo. At sabay-sabay nating ipagmalaki sa buong universe ang galing at ganda ng sining at kulturang Filipino. Saan mang sulok ng mundo, Filipino tayo. And we will be forever Filipino. PR 455 bound for Jensan is now about to take off. So, mga CCP Fambam, don't forget to click that button, like, share, and subscribe. This is Kapitana Mamin signing off. Maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat. Babu!